Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the iPhone down and removing the SIM tray so nothing moves. Then you apply gentle heat to the lower edge to soften adhesive. This prevents screen cracking. Next, remove the 2 pentalobe screws and use a suction cup plus thin picks to create an opening. Work from the bottom corners and lift the display just enough to access the bracket screws. This is how you avoid stressing display cables. Once done, keep track of screws and note their locations. You should open the display like a book and immediately disconnect the battery. This reduces short risk. Then remove the display and logic board shields to reveal the storage module area. Unscrew the retention screws and observe how the SSD connector mates. This is critical for reassembly. Use ESD-safe plastic spudgers when lifting connectors and avoid metal prying. Make sure to document connector orientation with a photo so you can reinstall the SSD. You lift the SSD straight up from its socket using a plastic pick, avoiding any lateral force that could damage pads. Once removed, keep it in an anti-static bag. To finish, reinstall shields, reconnect battery last, and reseat the display using new adhesive strips for water resistance. Torque screws to original snugness. If the phone won't boot, make sure all flex connectors are fully seated and the battery has charge, and inspect the board for lifted pads or corrosion as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.